Poco X3 GT. So yeah, this mobile comes with a 6.6 inches of Full HD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, IPS LCD display, IPS display, and this mobile can support HDR10 content. And for the processor, this mobile comes with the latest Dimensity 1100, which is a 6nm based 5G processor. When we talk about the 5G bands, it comes with just 3 bands of 5G. So yeah, nevertheless. And this mobile will be available in 3 variants. Those are 6GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 128, 8GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants, and we'll also get an expanded memory slot with this mobile. And this mobile comes with a triple cameras at the back side, 64 megapixels of main, 8 megapixels of ultra wide, and 2 megapixels of depth cameras. For the front facing selfie camera, it comes with a 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And it also comes with a bigger battery, that is a 5000 milliamp hour battery. Yes, and the best thing is it supports 67 watts of fast charge like the Mi 11 Ultra, which I have done a video on it already. I will link it here and in the description box below that like button, so you can check it out from there. By the way, this mobile comes with a 67 watts of fast charge support, but it will comes with just 33 watts of fast charger including the box. So if you want to use the 67 watts of fast charge, you have to buy it separately. And this mobile comes in the 4 colors. Those are grey, blue, green, and white colors. So this mobile also comes with a Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 features. And this mobile doesn't have a 3.5mm jack. Instead, this comes with a stereo speakers. And this mobile runs on Android version 11 out of the box and MIUI 12.5 out of the box. So yeah. And when we talk about the release of this mobile will be released on end of this month or by the starting of August. So yeah. If you want to watch more videos, I will have the links in the description box down below for my other videos. You can actually watch it from there. By the way, subscribe to the channel and support the channel. By the way, when we talk about the pricing, this mobile might comes with a price range of 25,000 rupees. I don't think it will come at the 25,000 rupees. It will comes with a price range of 20 to 22,000 rupees. So yeah, that's about the video.